All right. I'm doing this with my mouth, and of course the main problem is pitch and reverb, so that's what we have to fix, but here we go. You know, just flicking your mouth while it's open. Sounds pretty terrible so far. Yeah, it doesn't sound very good. Okay. Need reverb, pitch shift, equalization. It has some distortion there, noise in the background. I'm gonna have to remove all that bass. Okay, now we need more reverb, and then lower that pitch shift. No, that ruined it. No. Let's try this. Nope. Not too far. Okay, let's try that with just these last ones. Now that just ruins it. That's okay, you could kind of use it at that point. I'd probably need to redo it and to make sure they all sound as loud as this one. So that's a good one. In fact, if you wanted to, you could just go like this. And just copy and paste it a bunch. But the problem with that is they're all generic in the sound, and that makes it sound less realistic. That's why you typically don't want to do that, but you could at least make a couple of sounds and then copy and paste them here and there and rearrange them so they're not organized, and that makes it sound more realistic. But yeah, at that point you could then use it as cave sounds.